Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agarwal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel. Gardening is my passion. Friends, this is the January month, and the January month is very crucial for mango plant caring. If you follow my 5 tips, then you can get enormous number of mangoes in your plants. And this is the month where flowers birds comes in this season. You can see these are the flowers are coming in mango plant, and there is not opening, but this is just have appeared. And in other stems also you can see this is the initiation of mango plant flowering, and in every branch you can see there are initiation of mango plant flowering. So in this time you have to take 5 tips, 5 caring tips I'll share. What you have to apply, what you should not, all I will be details in details I'll share everything. And if you follow these 5 tips in this January month, then every flower will open and every flower bud will convert into fruits. So first tip is, in this season you have to apply mancozeb fungicide 1 gram per liter, because if there is no fungicide, then what will happen in this in the night time there is some of this water and this is soaked in water. That's why many fungal infections occurs here, and as a result many a time the fungal spore attacks these flowers of mango, and as a result the putrefied, these flowers are putrefied. As a result you cannot get the fruits. So first thing is you have to apply simple fungicide, that is mancozeb M45. This is very simple, very cheap, and you should not apply any kind of hard fungicide, maybe carbendazim or similar kind. I am applying here mancozeb M45. Every agriculture shop you can get it, and this is very cheap. You have to apply 1 gram per liter. This is Indophil M45. So contact fungicide mancozeb 75%. So you get 1 to 1.5 gram per liter. Here is the 2 liters of water. I am applying around 3 gram of this mancozeb fungicide. Just shake it properly and then spray on the whole plant. You have to apply it maybe in the morning time or evening time, anytime you can spray. And if you spray it once only, what will happen, all the fungal spores will die, and as a result every plant will get lots of flowers in this mango plant, and no mango plant flower will be determined. So first thing is you have to apply fungicide. I'll tell you 5 points. If you can follow these 5 points, your every mango plant will bear beautiful flowers, beautiful fruits here. So spray it whole, just drains the whole plant. As I said, when the flowers are already open, don't apply it. If the flowers are still to open, then you have to apply, drenches the whole plant. And this is the first thing you have to do in your mango plant. So I am drenching the whole plant, and I have around 20 mango plants in my garden. In every plant I am going to spray these kinds of fungicide. And second tip is more important. In this January month, this is the flowering time, so you have to apply very limited amount of water. If you apply water profusely, then what will happen, the plant will bear new leaves, and if the new leaves are coming in your plant, then what will happen, there won't be any flowering in your plants. So you have to very judiciously, and you have to apply water, very less quantity of water you have to apply. And once the flower is coming, already 3 to 4 inch length of flower stem is coming, then you can apply water. So I am applying here also. This is the mango, another mango plant. Almost all mango plant are grafted, my different types of different good quality mango plants. Here you can see the flower buds are coming here. Just see, just cone like flower buds are coming here. This is the cone like appearance, and you can apply, and you can see black color fungus is appearing. So I am applying contact fungicide M45. So if you apply in all the plants, and you can see the best results in your mango plant. So this is very important. So you have to water it less, very less, so that new flowers can appear in your plant. If you apply much water, or if you apply nitrogenous fertilizer, then the new leaves will come and there won't be any kind of flowering. The third tips is very important. This is the time of lots of insect infestation. So you may apply Profex Super or imidacloprid or Hamla 550 1 ml per liter if you apply. After application of fungicide, after a gap of 3 to 5 days, you can apply 1 ml of any kind of insecticide in these plants. In the evening time, don't apply in the morning time, because morning time is the busy time for honeybees and butterflies. So they are the pollinators, so you have to save the pollinators. You have to apply it in the evening times, and if you apply once only, then what will happen, all the detrimental insects will be gone, and the plants will be safe from any of the insect infestation. This is very, very important. And the fourth point is more important. Many times fruits comes and fruits do not develop properly, and sometimes the fruit skins also breaks. So you have to apply boron. This boron is white powder product, and apply 2 gram per liter in soil. Charge in soil only, don't apply in the spray, just apply in the soil 2 gram per liter. If you apply this boron in once or twice in the gap of 5 days, then you will see the every fruit will develop properly, and fruit size will be bigger, and the fruit will be sweeter too. So you have to apply boron once in 5 days. And if this is very, very important, if your plant is not bearing flower, but these plants you can see there is no sign of any flowering, so you may apply any PGR 1 ml per liter. So I am applying here some miraculan. This is a PGR. So I will be applying 1 ml per liter, but this time I am not applying. You have to apply it after 20th January. If there is still no flowering, then only you spray this 1 liter per 1 ml per liter. But if there is a normal flowering, don't apply any kind of PGR in these plants. Let it flower naturally, and they will bear fruits. So don't apply any PGR. But still, if after January, if there is still no flowering, then you can apply this PGR, and you will see in the once you apply after 5 days, again apply 1 ml per liter, and in 90% chances are there will be flowering, and if there is proper flowering, then you can see good fruits also. So these are the 5 tips, very, very important. Water lead very, very less, and you have to apply mancozeb, and you have to apply 1 insecticide, apply boron in these plants, and you can see the amazing results of lots of quantities, number of fruits in these plants. Hope you find this video valuable and suitable. If you at all like this video, please like it, share it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, because I am sharing lots of in different fruit, flowering plants and vegetable plants also. So just thank you very much, and happy new year. Thank you so much. So nice of you.